When it comes to metalworking, shaping, or finishing materials, the choice of the right tool can make all the difference in both the quality of the outcome and the efficiency of the process. Carbide burrs are essential tools for machinists, welders, and craftsmen, and they come in a variety of types to suit different tasks. Among these, double-cut carbide burrs stand out for their distinct advantages over single-cut variants. A key difference between single-cut and double-cut carbide burrs lies in their flute design. Single-cut burrs feature a single set of cutting edges, all running in one direction. These are excellent for rapid material removal and for cutting hard metals. However, double-cut burrs incorporate a second set of flutes that crisscross the first, creating a diamond-shaped pattern. This unique design brings with it several notable benefits. First and foremost, double-cut carbide burrs offer superior control and smoother handling. The crossing flutes break up the chips into much smaller pieces, reducing the tendency of the tool to grab or chatter during use. This smoother action enables the operator to make more precise cuts, especially when working on intricate patterns or delicate components. As a result, double-cut burrs are highly favored for tasks that require fine detail, such as deburring, carving, engraving, or finishing weld seams. Another significant advantage is the improved surface finish that double-cut burrs provide. The intersecting flutes remove material more gradually than single-cut burrs, which means the surface left behind is less rough, with fewer visible tool marks. This is especially valuable when a part needs to be finished to a high standard or will be visible in its final application. By minimizing secondary finishing work like sanding or polishing, double-cut burrs can save both time and effort. In addition, double-cut burrs generate less vibration and require less operator force. The dual flute design distributes cutting action more evenly, which not only lessens fatigue during extended use, but also helps protect the tool and the workpiece from accidental slips or gouges. For professionals working long hours or on sensitive projects, this ergonomic benefit can make a significant difference in both productivity and safety. Double-cut burrs are also more versatile when it comes to the range of materials they can handle. While single-cut burrs excel at cutting hard metals like steel or cast iron, double-cut burrs are effective on a wider array of materials, including non-ferrous metals, aluminum, plastics, and even some ceramics. Their ability to resist loading, where material builds up and clogs the flutes, further enhances their performance on softer or gummy materials. Another practical advantage is reduced heat buildup. The smaller chips produced by double-cut burrs allow heat to dissipate more efficiently, which helps to prevent premature wear of the tool and reduces the risk of damaging heat-sensitive materials. This means longer tool life and fewer interruptions for tool changes, contributing to greater overall efficiency in the workshop. Finally, double-cut carbide burrs are available in a wide variety of shapes and sizes, accommodating nearly any task or specialty requirement. Whether you're working in a machine shop, an automotive garage, or a jewelry studio, there's likely a double-cut burr that fits your needs. In summary, while single-cut carbide burrs remain valuable for aggressive material removal and rough shaping, double-cut carbide burrs deliver enhanced control, a finer finish, reduced vibration, broader material compatibility, and longer tool life. For those seeking precision, efficiency, and versatility in their work, double-cut carbide burrs are often the superior choice.